Welcome. Today we're diving into how to find essential security tips on Gmail using your PC. With the constant threat of online vulnerabilities, it's crucial to keep your account secure. Let's take a look at the latest updates and how you can stay one step ahead. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and access your inbox. Next, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. This is where you can customize your Gmail experience. Click on it, and a menu will appear. Now, choose the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to a new page where all your settings are organized neatly. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the tab labeled Accounts and Import. Click on that, and you'll see various options related to your account management. Here, find and click Other Google Account Settings. This will redirect you to your Google Account Settings page. In the left-hand menu, click on Security. This section is vital, as it provides you with an overview of your account's security status, recent security activity, and much more. Finally, scroll down and find the option that says Review Security Tips. Clicking on this will present you with personalized recommendations to enhance your account security. These tips could include enabling two-factor authentication, reviewing your recent activity, and managing app passwords. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can significantly boost your Gmail security. Don't forget to regularly check these settings to stay informed and protected. Thanks for watching.